So this is our Highlander. If you guys been watching, following our channel, you know that this is 2021 Highlander. And recently I noticed that the rear hatch start making this noise when we open and close it. A squeaky noise. I don't know if you guys noticed it. It might have been minimal, but the fact is it's happening every so often. And initially I thought maybe the struts actually start going bad or whatnot, because these are actually the motor of the power hatch is actually built into these struts. So you got two of those right on each corner. And so that's what I thought, but then it looks like it might have just been the lack of lubrication, which I'll be quite honest, I haven't done any lubrication on these struts ever since we got this vehicle. So let's give it a try and see if that will resolve our problem. So for that, I'm going to be using WD-40 brand's silicone lubricant. So just gotta make sure that it is a silicone base or graphite dry lubricant. You don't want to use traditional heavy-duty grease, or you don't want to use lithium based grease, right? Or like a sprays, because those actually tend to attract they tend to stay greasy for a lot longer, and they may attract more debris and dirt, since the vehicle is normally obviously driven outside, so it can attract more dirt and whatnot, and it can cause damage to your strut. So that's why you don't want to use anything lithium based or heavy duty grease. But anyway, for this we're just going to use this, and we're going to spray just a smidge. We don't want to go too crazy with this. So all right, just like that, and just a little bit on this side. All right, and we're gonna do the same thing with this one. And the reason you want to use silicone base, another reason for this is that it's also doesn't cause any harm to rubber gaskets or any plastic that's surrounded by this setup. So another reason why you want to use graphite dry lubricant or silicone based. So now we're gonna give it a try. All right, so we finished that. I'm gonna spray. Now let's try to close it and see. So it didn't make any squeaky noise when it was closing, so which is a good news. Now let's try to open it and see if that would make any change. Oh yeah, sounds just like when it was brand new. All right, it looks to be working just fine, just like we expected it. So yeah, I mean, this project seem to work out. So yeah, I mean, this is it. If you guys been having similar issues where your struts actually start making kind of squeaky weird noises, you can definitely give it a try to this silicone based spray. It doesn't necessarily have to be WD-40 brand, it could be different brands, but you just want to make sure that it is silicone based or graphite based dry lubricant. So yeah, and that's my recommendation. So I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and I hope to catch you guys in future videos. Take care.